A few days ago, one of my subscribers sent me a small YouTube channel. At first glance, I thought, okay, just another car restoration channel. But the moment I clicked on the video, I was genuinely shocked. Because the entire car restoration video was AI generated. No camera, no garage, no real car. And here's the crazy part. The channel was already monetized, with just a few videos uploaded. In today's video, I'll show you why AI car restoration videos are going viral, how people are creating these videos step by step, the exact AI workflow they are using, and how you can enter this niche before it gets saturated in 2026. Watch till the end, because I'll also share a brand new channel idea most people haven't noticed yet. First, let's understand why this niche works so well. Reason #1, transformation addiction. People love watching dirty to clean, rusted to restored, broken to brand new. Transformation content keeps viewers watching till the end. Reason #2, USA audience obsession. Classic cars, muscle cars, vintage supercars. These are extremely popular in Tier 1 countries like the USA. Tier 1 views =high RPM and CPM. Reason #3, no language barrier. These videos work with sound, without sound, even on autoplay. That means higher retention and global reach. Now combine all of this with AI, and the barrier to entry becomes almost zero. For this, I use ChatGPT. The instruction is simple. Focus only on famous cars. Add restoration plus transformation angle. Explain why the topic can go viral. The output gives you video titles, virality reasoning. Pro tip, stick to one car category on your channel. This builds a loyal audience that keeps returning for similar content. This is the most important part. We do not directly generate a full video. First, we create scenes. Why? Because most AI video tools generate 6-8-second clips. A 15-minute video requires 100+ short scenes. Typical scene flow: abandoned car discovery, inspection of damage, bringing the car to the garage, deep cleaning, rust removal, engine rebuild, painting and detailing, final reveal. Scenes are short and flexible. You can remove or adjust any scene before video generation. Now we convert scenes into video prompts. The problem, as the number of prompts increases, detail and consistency usually drop. The solution, JSON prompt enhancement. Normal prompt right arrow highly detailed JSON prompt. This ensures consistent lighting, accurate car details, cinematic realism, professional quality output, requires manual background music, VO-style tools, best cinematic results, used by most viral AI car channels. Important tip, always specify car color, camera angle, lighting style. Small prompt details =big quality difference. Editing should be simple. I use CapCut. Import all clips. Arrange scenes in order. Avoid heavy effects. If there's a watermark, overlay your channel name or logo. Add soft cinematic background music. Minimal sound effects. Consistency matters more than complexity. Now here's a bonus idea. You've probably seen carpet cleaning ASMR videos getting millions of views. Apply the same concept with AI car wash videos. Concept: extremely dirty car, foam wash, pressure wash, perfect final shine. Almost nobody is doing this with AI yet. Early movers always win. If this process feels difficult, that's exactly why this niche is still unsaturated. Most people quit before starting. Those who start early grow the fastest. Like the video, this single step separates average AI videos from viral-looking AI videos. Subscribe to the channel and comment Car AI. Good quality, free-friendly option. Meta AI. Strong visuals. I tested multiple tools. Grok,